I bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. It's time to shine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leechelle, and in today's video we're doing the spring glam. It is so beautiful and natural. We did no falsies. We're using our mascara today, lip gloss. I even use highlighter. And if you guys know me, you know I don't really use highlighter, but I felt like this look low-key wouldn't be complete without a little highlighter. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. I'm so excited about this spring glam. I've just been feeling it. So I'm going to start with primer. I'm going to use Huda Beauty. You guys know I've been using this primer for a while now, probably since I got it. And yeah, I think this is going to be my primer for the spring and summertime because I like to glow. I definitely like to glow. I have dry skin, so when it comes to my skincare and my makeup, I really do like a glowy look. However, I have been doing the matte look lately, but that's all about the change. So we have the skin primed, everything's looking great. So now we're going to go in with some foundation. Now, because this is a spring look, I want the foundation to be very natural. You guys know I can go full coverage. I love going full coverage, but we're going to do Huda Beauty. This is the foundation stick, and I'm in the shade Toffee. And as you can see, it's like a really good match. I like this foundation a lot, especially if you're someone that wants a little bit of coverage. I would say this is medium coverage. Honestly, I don't think you can build this up to full. Like, I don't really see that being a thing unless you have everything else full coverage, like your concealer, your face powder, things like that. The look that I'm going for today, I just want to focus on like an effortless glow. That's really the vibe for today. If you guys are familiar with my videos and you're subscribed, thank you. You know that I usually do brows before foundation, but even though I already do natural brows, I just want to focus more on skin than anything. I'm still gonna do my concealer hack that I usually do, but it's just gonna be not so much full coverage. So I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in Warm Sand, and this is just to cover up any quote-unquote dark marks that I may have. And I'm actually not gonna let it sit. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with my foundation brush. I think that looks good. And now I want to do some highlighting. I'm going to use Pat McGrath concealer, and this is in the shade LM12.
This is the Leechelle.
I miss filming makeup videos. I've been doing vlogs and just, you know, a whole bunch of other stuff, but I miss the whole makeup video scene. It's been a minute, and I'm ready to come back and kill shit, you know. Just missed it. I've been gone for a little bit, and I'm ready to just come back and bust out content for you guys. You have no idea. I have so much stuff in store for you guys, and I just hope you enjoy it because I enjoyed filming it. All of it. So tell me something, you guys, when it comes to spring makeup, for all my makeup wearers out there, do you like to go a little bit more lighter since we're getting into the warmer weather, or does that not play a role? You still like your full coverage glam? Like, what is your look? For me, it honestly depends. Every year I feel like it's something different, because last year and the year before that, I did not care what the season hold. If it was winter, spring, so I wanted to do full coverage glam. And I think it's because I maybe just started getting into that, like the whole highlighting and contouring technique, but especially highlighting. So I think for myself, I just really enjoy that aspect. So I loved it. But right now, As you can see, I am doing a little bit more natural-ish look, because it's still makeup. Makeup is makeup, but there are ways that you can do it where it doesn't look so like out there if you want it to look a little bit more natural. So that's definitely the look that I'm channeling today. So I'm actually going to cream bronze. I haven't done that in forever, but I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut, I believe. Yes, Chestnut. I have on white, so I'm going to squirt some out, but I want it far away from me because I do not want that on my shirt. We definitely don't want that. Make sure I don't get it on my hair. Usually, okay, all that noise, come on. Usually I have my hair pinned back, but I want to be cute. I want to be cute while I film. Okay, that's good enough. I haven't cream bronze in a minute, like for real. I'm going to use the same brush. I think the good thing about, you know, doing like lightweight makeup a little bit is that you kind of can, you don't have to use as much product, but you don't have to use as much like tools like brushes. Like I'm not using a sponge for this look, so that helps me. That way I don't have to wash a whole bunch of brushes, because when I'm done, even if I'm not filming, like if I'm going somewhere, girl, it'd be so many brushes, and I'm the type of person where I have to wash my brushes right after. Like, I'm sorry, I'll take pictures if I'm going out somewhere, but 2 days max. I can't just have brushes there. There is no way I can go out somewhere and have dirty brushes. I can't. That's like a really, that bugs me. Like, that's a pet peeve of mine. That really bugs me out. I don't know, I just can't do it. So I'm looking at the face. I think everything looks good. I'm going to go ahead and do some cream blush. I'm so excited about this part, you guys. Like, I'm so excited. Okay, so the blush that I'm going to be using today is from Tower 28, and it's called Beach Please, and it's in the shade Happy Hour. This is so cute. Oh my god. I've used this product one time, and it was a little pigmented. I'm not going to lie. Do my hair. Yeah, see, like that's some pigmented blush. And I heard that you can use it over top of your powders as well if you like. I haven't done that yet. I'm not sure what blush I'm going to use later on today after I put everything on. I may just put this, like apply more on top, I'm not sure. Forehead. And I think that's going to be it for like the blush part. And you know what they say, like the blush is the first product that usually fades. So if you want to cake it on a little bit, well, not cake it on, but if you want to like really do it and have a lot, then that's all good. To set my under eye, I'm going to be using Laura Mercier translucent powder. I have been using this baby for a minute now. My last video that I did, beauty related, I told you guys I used 2 powders, but for today I'm not gonna do that because you can't really glow like that. And I'm actually gonna take this powder and put it all over the face. And you guys are probably like, "What? Isn't that gonna take away the glow?" Not really, because that's gonna come back. The glow will still be there. If I was to do this, do the Huda powder, and then do my regular face powder, there will be no glow. But we're still going to have some glow. Don't worry. So we're going to bronze, and I'm just going to use one bronzer today. And that is from Fenty Beauty in Caramel Cutie. I'm feeling like a caramel cutie. So we're going to go ahead and bronze. The only thing about doing makeup with my hair down is that I have to constantly lift it up to do the cheeks and stuff. I definitely want to go somewhere. Like, I feel really cute. We're going to go ahead and do nose contour. I'm still going to use Hoola Benefit Bronzer, but I use it as my nose contour. So I'm going to go ahead and use this mini Bag Out Bang mascara from Benefit. This is my favorite mascara. My eyelashes are so little, but I don't know, I don't want to do lashes today. I feel like my face looks very natural. I don't want to like add anything else. So now we're going to do lips, and I'm going to use Matte Cork lip liner, and then I'm going to use Fenty Beauty lip shine in the shade Glazed. So I think I'm going to take this Fenty Beauty, it's limited edition, Gloss Bomb in the shade Cupcake in, just to see, you know, if we could add a little bit more like a pinky. Let's see. Can you see that? I like it. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's giving. Yeah, totally giving. I'm here for it. One thing I just noticed, I did not apply a powder blush on top. I didn't even go back with this, and I can still see the blush shining through. I think that looks amazing. I don't know what's going on with my lighting, you guys, so excuse me. But I'm going to be using the Dominique's Cosmetics in collab with JD Wadey. Melt all the powders. I think that looks good. Ew, some got in my mouth. Yeah. Gross. I was trying to see if I wanted to put on some highlighter. I think I'll add a little bit. It's springtime, why not? So let me go and find a highlighter. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using this Marc Jacobs highlighter. What is the shade? It's called Guilty. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm not going to use a lot. Yeah, like that's it. Because highlighter low-key scares me now. I don't even want a lot. Yeah, that looks good. And we'll just put a little bit on the upper lip. That's good. A little on the nose. A little right there. And I think that's cute. So that is the end of my spring glam. I hope you like it. This look is very fresh, very spring, very glowy. I love this look so much. Comment down below and tell me, like, are you going to pick up any of these products? What's one of your go-to items for your spring glam? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. Hi, I'm Leechelle. Follow me on Instagram at @LoveLeechelle. Share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.